Does 24/7 roadside assistance cover replacement of lost keys? Have you ever found yourself locked out of your car, wondering if your roadside assistance can help you get back in? Today, we will tackle a common question. Does 24 hours a day, 7 days a week roadside assistance cover the replacement of lost keys? Generally, roadside assistance provided through car insurance does not cover the actual cost of replacing lost keys. Most roadside assistance plans offer services like unlocking your car if you are locked out, towing, jump-starting a battery, or changing a flat tire. However, they typically do not pay for getting new keys made or replacing lost keys. Some roadside assistance packages may include locksmith services to help you regain entry to your vehicle. This means they might send a locksmith to unlock your car if your keys are lost or locked inside. However, the cost of cutting or programming a new key is usually your responsibility. When it comes to car insurance policies, including comprehensive coverage, lost keys are typically not covered. Comprehensive coverage may help with damage or theft of the vehicle. If your car is stolen with the keys, your insurance might cover the replacement of the vehicle or key if it is recovered. However, lost keys alone are usually excluded. Some insurance companies offer optional add-ons or endorsements that provide limited coverage for lost or stolen keys. These options are not standard and often come with deductibles or specific conditions. Interestingly, other types of insurance, such as homeowners or renters insurance, might cover stolen keys if they were taken during a theft of personal property. But again, lost keys without theft are usually not covered. From a car insurance perspective, while roadside assistance can help you regain access to your vehicle through locksmith services, it does not cover the cost of replacing the keys themselves. If key replacement coverage is important to you, check if your insurer offers specific add-ons. You may also want to consider other insurance policies that might cover theft-related losses involving keys. So, while 24 hours a day, 7 days a week roadside assistance is great for lockout situations, it does not pay for lost key replacement. This expense typically falls on you unless you have special coverage beyond standard auto insurance.